Hi everyone, it's Kezia over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to another vlog this week. I'm so excited to share this vlog with you guys, but before we do that I wish to share a little bit on a brand that have so kindly reached out to me and I'm so grateful. So I wish to dedicate the first part of this video to this brand and then we can move on to the vlog of this week. The brand is none other than Read Your Heart. I previously worked with them. I will link the previous video down below. Basically, if you didn't know, Read Your Heart is a beautiful jewelry brand which aims to create jewelry pieces that can make memories, and these memories will be planted in each of these jewelry pieces that you can gift to yourself or else to your loved ones. I know with Christmas coming up, hence the red lip today, I can only imagine that you're obviously still maybe finding some gifts, and I would recommend definitely Read Your Heart for some Christmas gift ideas to gift your loved ones. They have a special ring to them and they offer a variety of jewelry items, and I absolutely love and adore their mission. It's like read your heart and record your memories, and I find memory keeping so vital in today's, I don't know, day and age. I feel like it supports me making memories, making rituals, and maybe jewelry can be a part of making a ritual that you can record for your loved ones. Basically, before I share with you some of the pieces that I so kindly received from Read Your Heart, I actually wish to share that one of the main products of this brand is actually called Moissanite, and Moissanite is an alternative to diamonds and it shares the same fire, the same hardness as a diamond would, and obviously it's on a more affordable price range, and it's just amazing and it has been praised and recommended because of this. In fact, last time I actually reviewed the brand, I actually had received this very ring which is actually made up of Moissanite jewelry, and it's absolutely positively stunning. It's still shining through and I adore it. I'm actually obviously excited to share with you the 3 new pieces that I got. What is absolutely amazing is that when you get the package, you actually get this bag packed up, and then you can just put the individual gifts in your bag over here, and it serves for a cute gift package. So basically, also I wish to share that I have a discount code which is called Kezzie15, and you get 15% off your Read Your Heart jewelry, and that is something I wish to share with you guys. And obviously this is thanks to the brand and thanks to you guys as well. So you get a little bit of a pamphlet on Read Your Heart and the brand and how you can take care of your jewelry. Your jewelry comes packed in this like plastic bag, which is so cute and great to package your jewelry maybe when traveling. And then I also got a little cloth over here to clean my jewelry. Basically, when I was choosing what jewelry I wish to try out, I actually went for something different, something I don't actually have in my collection, and that is around rubies. So I'm actually wearing my ruby lipstick in a way because it's like red, and yeah, you will see. So each jewelry piece will come with its own box, so you can pack your jewelry over here and you can give this as a gift, which is perfect. And let's see the first thing. The first thing is this ring right here, and it's absolutely beautiful. This one is called the 7-stone Moissanite and Ruby Wedding Band Ring in sterling silver. So this one has Moissanite in it. So this is the ring. Oh, it's so pretty and dainty and just like I like it. I don't like too many things going on my rings, but I just absolutely love this, and so simple, so me. So yeah, just matches my lipstick too. And then we also have a pair of earrings which are right here. These earrings are so beautiful and they remind me of like some vintage earrings that my grandma would have loved to wear back in the day, but I love wearing them now. So these are the oval ruby double halo sterling silver drop earrings, and they're absolutely stunning. They don't feel heavy as well, very lightweight, which I like in earrings. Oh my goodness, there's the earrings on. Absolutely love them so much. Oh my days, so pretty. And the necklace comes packed in this box right here, and this is a necklace. It matches the earrings perfectly. So basically this one is called the oval ruby double halo sterling silver necklace pendant. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. That is the necklace and that's the ring. And we have the earrings as well. Absolutely love this ruby collection. So those are the products from Read Your Heart that I was so kindly sent. I wish to say a big thank you. I'm a fan of this ruby collection. I love all 3 bits of my jewelry, and this would be such a great Christmas idea as well. Like when I was thinking of like a Christmas gift, like this set over here is just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, you can use my discount code Kezzie15 to get 15% off your order as well. So yeah, I just wish to say thank you to Read Your Heart for collaborating with me yet again. And yeah, I absolutely love my pieces. So now, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into the vlog. Hi everyone! So we're currently at the place. This is going to be the room where I'm going to have my makeup. In fact, I have some makeup over there. And at the moment, I am trying to build 9-drawer Alex drawer. Basically, so far I have the drawers. So exciting. Basically, Luke isn't here because he had to go get a hammer, which he forgot. So I'm waiting for him. But in the meantime, I'm doing the drawers because those are quite relatively easy. With you, I never feel alone. Hi everyone! I just got to Valletta and look at me vlogging. Today is Sunday and it is the 11th of December, and I'm actually going to be helping out a friend. They're hosting a nice market. Basically it's called, and my friend does handmade cards. She's called Little Big Pie. I'll link her Instagram down in the description box because I really think you should check her out. Currently we're at I'm at Valletta. There's like the Christmas fairyland at the moment. You're seeing the Christmas Ferris wheel, and there's also like other things as well. See more of this when I come because I'm gonna come and watch a panto. So yeah, just walking to the Storytime belt. I caught the bus. Anyways, let me show you the cute tree. Over here is like Teatro Moi. It's called Teatro Moi. Yes, you see, now I'm on my own. But I actually managed to vlog. So yes, I'm walking to the Storytime belt, helping a friend out, and then hopefully later on we'll actually be going to a Christmas village, which is in Tajbisht. As you can see, I'm very unfit because I can barely talk and walk. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue walking now, and I will talk to you guys later.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow.
Hi guys! So today is the 13th of December. It's another public holiday, which is amazing. It's also our 8th-year anniversary of when me and Luke actually met. We met 8 years ago. Maybe I should do a story time one day of how we met. If you want to see it, comment down below. Now we went to Pama and we did some errands, and now basically we are at McDonald's drive-thru, and we got the deal, which was the 11th day of Christmas, for like 3 cheeseburgers for only $4.50, which is good. No, $4.30, sorry. So yes, I'm just gonna collect my food. We're gonna take 2. I'm gonna take 2 cheeseburgers, and Luke will take 1. So
You have 3 cheeseburgers.
yes.
There you go.
Thank you very
Enjoy,
much.
have a good day.
You too. Bye bye. Excited to eat my cheeseburgers. Now I'm gonna go to Ipona. 1 moment. Beautiful day. And yeah, I just wanted to stop by and say hello. And I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, I also did something else this morning. I also actually packed up more of my stuff. So I took all my foundations, my primers, my mascaras, and also my iHeart Revolution palette, some of them, not all of them. So slowly my room is like emptying up. And yeah, by the way, Luke is behind the phone, he's holding the camera. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys later and hope you have a good day. I am so pissed off, guys, honestly. So while Luke was recording, obviously we didn't check the order of McDonald's. So I'm so pissed off, guys. So while Luke was recording the video for me, obviously he didn't bother to check obviously the order of McDonald's. And also when we picked it up, as you saw, I think Luke filmed it, like the person who gave it to us, he told us, you know, 3 cheeseburgers, and I'm like, yes, of course. So we wouldn't even bother to check the order, but Patunya, they gave us the wrong order. We got like a chips and a chicken nuggets or nachos or whatever. It's okay, because this evening we're going out for dinner for our anniversary, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I wanted to share this frustrating story.
Because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple loving, it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice.
Hi everyone! Oh my goodness, I feel like this vlog I barely spoke to you. I know I spoke to you a little bit on Sunday, but today is actually a week later nearly, and it's Saturday. Today is the 17th of December because it's my brother's birthday, so obviously 17th December. So I just wanted to say hello. I feel like this week has just passed by so quickly, guys. Honestly, like December is like bam bam bam, like already tomorrow week is already Christmas, which I cannot understand. I cannot fathom the idea that it's already here. Like Christmas is here, like Christmas is here. I have my favorite Kit Kat orange at the moment, which I can't wait to eat. I love chocolate orange, honestly, very good chocolate. So I wanted to come here and just update you guys a little bit. I'm gonna be doing my makeup now. I have to clean my room because my room's a mess. But yesterday, oh my goodness, yesterday, I don't know, I put clips here. Basically, this was my room before before I started packing. So my dad kindly enough got me some boxes because I need to basically start like really like packing and like, you know, gearing up to move. We are going to be moving about a month's time, so we're hopefully going to be settled in the place. Oh my god, I can't understand. This is not the first time really, because it was like once I actually lived for a year in Scotland on my own, but this is different. Like this is different because you actually have a place. Like there was just renting, but this is like our place. Like it's crazy, honestly. So yeah, so yesterday I was like, okay, so today is the day that I'm going to pack more stuff. And so I packed, I don't even remember what I packed because I was like, okay, let me start. And I packed some bags, I packed some shoes, winter shoes. Oh yeah, that started going as well. And then I packed like a shelf, like one shelf is like all empty. I packed nail polishes, setting spray, scrunchies, hair clips, brushes, necklaces, earrings, jewelry. So yeah, I packed a lot of stuff. I started packing some paperwork as well. And I also packed one of the shelves that I am actually going to be taking, because hopefully next week, I think next week, or no, actually the week after, so 2 weeks from now, I'm going to be taking my bulk of furniture. I feel like I am there. Packing is really stressful. It's like you pack one side of the room and then you're like, wait a second, you have like another corner to pack, and it's like, oh my goodness, when is this all going to end? But yeah, actually I want to actually show you. This one has Glamermaid press-on nails, which I absolutely can't wait to be wearing. You can buy your Glamermaid press-on nails from their website. And then I also got a Pixi Beauty PR package, which I was so grateful for. And basically here are the makeup products that I have. This is the blush quad. This is a vitamin C lip brightener. It's a primer, a mascara, some liquid eyeshadows, and then the silky eye pen. So yeah, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Glow with Pixi. So thank you, Pixi, for helping me glow. Honestly, I need to really get this all sorted because it's a mess. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna try and like sort a little bit my room, because I still like, I function in a more like structured, organized, I think. I feel like I need to use the word organized environment. Like this environment is just mess, big mess. So I need to like organize it in a way which can keep me like going a little bit, because this is too messy for me. So that's what I want to do, but I wanna grab my Kit Kat and like eat it because I deserve it.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go? Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company.
Now my room looks a little bit better, which I'm very happy about. And to be honest, it was because I packed yesterday. So I did do something, which is actually amazing. I need to really dust my furniture. What I'm going to do now is I'm basically going to film a part of the intro that you're going to be seeing, dedicated to Read Your Heart, which is, it's like chic, you know, very cute and like posh, if I had to use some words to describe it. So I'm going to, and then I'm going to go to Luke's and we're going to have dinner together at his house. Yesterday we watched the Noel Diary. I kind of fell asleep in the last half an hour, so I didn't see the ending, but he explained it to me, because that's what happens, you know, I fall asleep, you know, that is what happens, unfortunately. I basically hope you enjoy the vlog, and I think I'll record the outro again with the camera, so you'll see me in a better light. So yes, so I'll see you guys probably in my next week's vlog. So yeah, just wish to say a big thank you to you guys for watching my vlog. I just wanted to record a proper outro as I always do, so here it is. And I just wish to remind you again about my Read Your Heart collaboration. You can find everything linked down below in the description box. So yeah, I just hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next week's video, which, oh my goodness, we're less than a week away. Well, we're a week away from Christmas. I wish you all the best to you and your loved ones, and I hope you have a lovely, lovely Christmas. My heart goes out to everybody and sending kisses to all. So yeah, bye guys!
Bring your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face.